Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Up with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today's There's Card Thursday, and I want to show you a new little card. I got the idea from Connie. Let me bring this up so you can see it. Connie Stewart. She had, they call it a double flap card, but I had to do it just a little bit differently because my saying that I wanted for my Christmas card is just a little bit bigger than hers, so I had to figure out how to do this. So what you're going to need is, you are going to need a piece of old olive, 5.5 by 4.5, a piece of basic white, 4 by 5.25, a piece of cherry cobbler, 4 by 1.5, and you're going to, or 2.5, and you're going to score a 1/2 inch on the 4-inch side. And you are going to need a piece of cherry cobbler, 3.5 by 3 3/4, and score it again on the 3 3/4 inch size. I score a 1/2 inch on both of these. I am also using some Season of Elegance. I am using 2 pieces of Season of Elegance Designer Series paper, 1 3/4 by 3 3/4, and 2 pieces 2 3/4 by 3.5. I also am using the Peaceful Seasons stamp set and Peaceful Evergreens. I've cut out some of the Evergreens with the stamp cut and emboss machine. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put my saying up here, and that I'm going to do, I've got cherry cobbler and old olive because that matches the that, and I'm just going to color this in. Just color that on with, if you want to use other colors, you can. You want to use other sayings, you can. This is just one of my Christmas cards. Forgot a little thingy right here. And I'm just going to put it up in this corner. And then, oh, forgot the A. Then I am going to do the same with the middle saying. It's been a while since I've recorded any of these, and I'm a little rusty with where I'm putting things. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to fold along those 1/2 inch and what it's going to do is I'm going to fold, it's going to look something like this and this, so it covers that. So first off, I want to attach the Season of Elegance. Let me bring it up just a little more so you can see. And then you can also, I wrote down the measurements right there. I've got a late start on my Christmas cards. I usually start them the January, just after Christmas, and I haven't gotten any of them started, so besides this, I ordered some of those really cool die cuts that they have in the catalog, in the September to December catalog, and I'm going to throw some of those on cards. I got cardstock. I bought that cardstock too. So, but I wanted to create a couple of my own design cards. Okay, and so what I'm doing is going to put that right like that. Put this right like that. And I'm going to get out a few of my dimensionals. Going to hook these on. And a couple on one of these. Now you can do, again, any color you want. I have a lot of cherry cobbler, so I may do a lot of the cherry cobbler and may do some of the other colors in the like shaded spruce and that. And then I'm going to, this will open like this, so I want to put another one, and you don't have to put the same one, you can put something else in there. You can even put white and use that as, and then I am going to fold this over. I'm going to put my glue and attach it just like that. And there you have it. And if you want to hold it in, there you go. Anyhow, thanks for visiting, and remember you can purchase all these products from me at, let's bring this down, marytroutner.stampinup.net. Have a good day. Bye-bye.